Hey guys, welcome back to Thread and Glue Designs. Welcome to 2022, and I hope you've had a great holiday. Mine was good up until I got sick, and I've been pretty sick since then, but today I'm feeling a little bit better, so hopefully I'm on the mend. I have been tested. I don't have the coochie, so no worries. I did receive this year. I am going to be doing an unboxing every month of the Sketchbox subscription box, and I did receive January's box, so I thought we would go through and open that together. I can't find my box knife right now. Somebody must have took the knife away, but we're gonna open this and get into it and see what's going on. I'm so excited about this. This was my Christmas gift from my mother. It's a gift that keeps on giving every month. It looks like the art is by Kate Hicks, and this is her address. So let's get this open and we'll pull it out and see what we've got. Okay. Let's see. Sketchbox Premium Box. Gives information and tells us what all is in there. And has a beautiful picture of artwork on there. That is by Cara Rosalie Olson. Olson is a floral fine artist and an art educator residing in Orange County, California. She is a mother of two, Hazel and Violet, her real masterpieces, who keep her hands very busy when there isn't a brush in them. In addition to selling her artworks online, she teaches the fundamentals of watercolors to students all across the world. You can find the majority of her classes on Skillshare. Her new book, Botanical Watercoloring for Beginners, is set to launch spring 2022. And that is her information there. So let's see, this is our first item that we come up to, and it is a custom Magnani 1404 portfolio cotton pad. It's hot press paper. It has 15 sheets of acid-free paper for you to create your work of art. Retail price is $13.48. Oh, it is a really nice thick paper. That'd be great to create some art. It's a really good size. I love that size. I've never heard of that brand, but I like the way it feels and looks. So that is our substrate we have to work on. Next thing I'm going to pull up, let's see. We have a cool sticker from Sketchbox. I'm going to start collecting those on my sketchbooks. Now we have a brush, and it's a Sketchbox Signature Filbert brush number 4. A classic watercolor brush with some incredible synthetic hair. Use it to create fine lines or thick petals by varying your hand pressure. The retail price is $5.95. Oh, come on now. There we go. I love these little things. Don't throw them away. They make good holes and stuff. And well, it's a very nice Filbert brush. I love the way it feels. And it's a direct Sketchbox brush. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. There we go. But this is the tip of it. The bristles. Very nice. Okay, next we have a Copic Multiliner in Lavender, 0.5 millimeters. pigment ink, water, and Copic proof. Oh, very nice. That ought to be fun to use. Very nice. It does say that use the multiliner to outline your artwork or create stems for florals. The retail price is $3.99 on that. And let me flip that around for you. And next up, let's pick this one up. It's a Rembrandt watercolor. Oh, I haven't tried them. I've wanted to. And it is in titanium white. It's 10 milliliters. Use this watercolor in combination with the watercolor powders in this month's box to create a variety of tints. Retail price is $9.95. So just a regular titanium white, which is kind of sad. I would have loved to have tried one of their colors out, but we get to mix it apparently. So the next one is a custom TCW Color Sparks watercolor powder, and mix with water to use it as watercolor or sprinkle it on wet surface for a fun blooming effect. $6. Nice. And it's Bougainvillea. I guess that's the color. Yeah. Interesting. I've never used these. We'll have to play with that. And the next four are Sketchbox Signature Watercolor Powders in navy, grape, orange, and turquoise. A truly magical medium that plays well with all wet media, made up of multiple pigments that blend to create the final color. A little goes a long way. This is close to a lifetime supply. Retail price $4.99 each. Very interesting. I like turquoise, and I like grape and navy. I can live with orange. Well, this is interesting box for my first one. I have a lot of things that I haven't tried, so I'll look forward to trying these with you, and we'll create some kind of an art piece with this and see how it goes. But that will be another video. This is just for the unboxing itself. And I think it was a pretty good box overall for a first box. And let me know what your thoughts are. If you've got this, if you've tried it, what your thoughts were on the products and how well they worked for you. Any helpful tips would be great. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And I hope you're having a great first week of the year. And I look forward to seeing you. Blessings, everybody. Bye.